Hi there, fabulous viewers. Welcome back to Smart Gen, your ultimate destination for engaging book discussions that ignite your imagination and empower you to reach new heights of success. I'm Valeria, and today we're delving into the captivating pages of Triumph of the City by Edward Glaeser. Get ready to embark on a fascinating exploration of the transformative power of cities. Triumph of the City is an extraordinary book that delves into the intricate world of urbanization and presents a compelling case for the remarkable role cities play in shaping our lives. It's a thought-provoking journey that will challenge your perceptions and inspire you to see cities in a whole new light. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exhilarating adventure together. Imagine uncovering the secrets behind the dynamism, innovation, and economic growth that cities offer. That is exactly what this book invites us to explore. In this captivating book, Edward Glaeser takes us on a journey through history, economics, and social dynamics to reveal the incredible triumphs and challenges of urbanization. Glaser dives into the evolution of cities throughout the ages, unearthing the factors that have propelled their growth, development, and influence. From ancient civilizations to modern metropolises, Triumph of the City presents a rich tapestry of stories that showcases the power of urban spaces as crucibles of ideas, engines of progress, and hubs of human interaction. One of the key insights of this book is the profound impact of density. Glaser illuminates how the concentrated populations, diverse cultures, and proximity within cities foster collaboration, knowledge and sharing, and creativity. It is within these vibrant urban ecosystems that ideas collide, industries flourish, and groundbreaking innovations take shape. While cities may face challenges such as congestion and pollution, Triumph of the City challenges us to reframe our perspective. Glaser argues that with the thoughtful planning, sustainable infrastructure, and effective governance, cities can become beacons of opportunity, livability, and social progress. I have to say that this book is one of my top 3 must-read, and it was a really transformative experience for me. I have a few articles about sustainable urbanization, and this book completely shifted my perspective on urbanization and made me appreciate the incredible potential that cities hold. It made me see cities not just as concrete jungles, but as vibrant ecosystems teeming with endless possibilities for personal and professional growth. Before, I thought that villages are more eco-friendly than cities are, but this book totally changed my mind. Moreover, Triumph of the City highlights the critical role of investing in infrastructure, education, and public services to unlock a city's full potential. By creating inclusive neighborhoods, fostering entrepreneurship, and ensuring access to quality education and healthcare, cities can become catalysts for individual and collective prosperity. One of the most inspiring aspects of Triumph of the City is its celebration of human resilience and adaptability. Glazer showcases how cities have weathered challenges, reinvented themselves, and emerged stronger than ever. It's a testament to the indomitable spirit of urban communities and their capacity to thrive in face of adversity. Triumph of the City also underscores the importance of embracing diversity and inclusivity within urban spaces. It's the mix of cultures, ideas, and backgrounds that fuels innovation and fosters a vibrant social fabric. Cities are places where different perspectives converge, where understanding and appreciation for one another can flourish. That wraps up the An Extraordinary Journey Through Triumph of the City by Edward Glaeser. I hope this exploration has been as enlightening to you as it has been for me. If you're eager to delve deeper into the transformative power in cities and read some really cool cases about urbanization, I highly recommend getting your hands on a copy of this remarkable book. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Smart Gen. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep embracing the endless possibilities that cities offer. This is Valeria signing off. Bye.